Hello everyone, today we are going to make TikTok's viral cloud bread recipe. This recipe is very easy to make and you have to use only few ingredients. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. Let's see what ingredients we require: sugar, corn flour, eggs, gel food colors and vanilla extract. So let's begin. In a bowl, separate the egg whites from the yolks like shown. You can also use an egg separator to separate the whites, but I'm doing it by my hand. Now start whipping it on low speed for about 2 minutes. Whip until it becomes foamy. Try to whip at a low speed and then gradually increasing it. Now add sugar and gradually increase the speed while whipping. Now add the vanilla extract and the cornstarch. Whip again for around 5 to 7 minutes or until it becomes very foamy and smooth. Add the gel food color, it is very optional. If you want, you can add, but the food coloring looks very pretty. Mix with a very light hand by cutting and folding method. Now transfer it to a baking sheet and give it some kind of shape or any shape whatever you like. The consistency should be thick enough. Now you can bake it in oven for almost 30 to 35 minutes at 375 degrees Celsius. You can also make it in a pot using the double steam method for around 40 minutes and it's ready. You can see how cloudy and foamy it is. It tastes like a cotton candy and very good for kids. So please subscribe if you like the video.